2014. Welcome to our rooftop bar here at Bayog Sky. Okay, it's a special day today. It's February 14. So today we're going to make a special cocktail for a special day, Valentine's Day. Okay, meron tayong isang follower na nag-request ng drinks, ng cocktail. She requested a cocktail, sex on the beach. So tama-tama, Valentine ngayon. So we can fire off your Valentine's Day. So we're going to make sex on the beach. Okay. So we're gonna need vodka. Yes, vodka. And put some triple sec. A little bit sweet and sour. Peach schnapps, orange juice, and pineapple juice. Okay, this is a variation of Sex on the Beach, but the original recipe of Sex on the Beach is only peach schnapps, vodka, orange juice, and comes with cranberry juice. So we don't have a cranberry juice, so we substitute into pineapple juice. Okay, so let's get started. First, put our vodka, 30 ml, and a bit 15 ml of triple sec. Okay, this triple sec, peach schnapps, 15 ml, and 60 ml of orange juice, 60 ml of pineapple juice. Okay. And a dash of grenadine smoke. And a dash of sweet and sour. Strain to our glass. Cherry and slice of lemon. Okay, so there you have it, our Sex on the Beach special cocktail of the day. Happy Valentine's. There you have it, Sex on the Beach. Special mention to our friend Nina and Camila Spice. She requested these drinks. So eto na Nina, Sex on the Beach. There you have it. By the way, Sex on the Beach can be served straight up, so you don't have to mix it. So you put all the ingredients straight into the glass. Okay, that's how it's preparation for other Sex on the Beach. So I just mix it up into the cocktail shaker. So I used to mix it because it comes with orange juice, pineapple juice. So it comes with many ingredients. That's why I mix it up to incorporate all the ingredients. Okay, so that's our Sex on the Beach. Happy Valentine's, guys!